What's up everybody, my name is Leigh. Welcome to Dance with VS, Versatile's online street dance tutorials. Today, we're going to be working on popping with the arms. Let's get started. Okay, so popping with the arms, real specific, real detailed. We want to use the idea of flexing muscle groups, right? So before I move on with the arms, I just want to give you all a heads up that we have the arms, we have the chest, we have the legs, and we have the neck. Today we're just going to be working on the arms. With the arms, you want to focus on the forearm, the bicep, and the tricep. Yeah, popping all at once, okay? This is very, very familiar. When you start to learn popping, you want to figure out your muscle groups, body awareness, how does it work, and how can you rhythmically apply it to the beat, right? So, easily, the way I was taught and the way my mentor shared it with me, you put out your arms like this. I'm gonna do more like this for you guys, but if you wanna keep them straight out, please feel free to do that, yeah? So from here, I'm gonna close into a tight fist for 8 counts, okay? You're gonna do it with me. Ready? 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So do yourself a favor and squeeze as hard as you can to feel that tension, yeah? This is tensing up, this is tensing up, and this is tensing up. Ready? 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, relax, okay? Let's try it for 4 counts. Ready? 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, relax. 5, 6, one more time, and 1, 2, 3, 4, relax. 5, okay? 2 counts. Ready? 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, relax. 1, 2, relax. 1, 2, relax. And 1, 2, relax. Kind of getting the hang of it, right? So now let's go to 1 count. Ready? 5, 6, 7, and pop, 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 pop. So notice I was popping everything on that beat or on that second, okay? What you need to figure out, and this hopefully will be a guide for you, is how do you relax in between? Because we're always tense, the pop is not going to be very effective later on as you keep dancing. It's just going to look like you're making tight, tight fists, right? So how do you pop, relax, pop, relax, pop, relax, pop, relax, pop, relax, pop, relax, okay? Now, moving forward, before we attach it to the beat, how can we now do this without closing a fist? How do we now just flex and get the motion of flexing the arm without making this gesture with the hands? Because this distracts everything that's happening here, okay? So another key thing that I learned from even my mentor, teacher, Mr. Wiggles, is maybe think about like riding a motorcycle or a bike and you drop the wrist. When you automatically drop the wrist, you flex your arms, okay? And it's all the way going up to my bicep and tricep. So I'm just flexing, flex, flex, or pop, 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 pop. So let's try 8 counts, okay, with no music, trying to make a pop with the arms, but not making a fist, all right? Just kind of flex. Ready? 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One more time. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Last time. Ready? 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I think you got the hang of it. Let's try with some music. Let's go. All right, here we go. Pop it on. Ready? 5, 6, 7. joining me. Please, as I always like to suggest, advise, and encourage, practice, practice, practice. It's definitely going to make you more aware of your body. I always like to think now, practice makes progress, okay? So let's keep thinking that, how we can just keep practicing and keep evolving within the dance. I highly also advise that you pick your favorite music that definitely has a 1 and a 2 beat, basically the boom and the clap, and how do you apply popping with the arms. As you saw towards the end of that, I was kind of doing different directions. Please feel free to do that as well, all right? Thank you once again for joining me with Dance with VS, Versastyle's online street dance tutorials. I had a great time with y'all. If y'all want to follow more tutorials and learn more dance moves, please like, comment, subscribe, and you can also follow us on Instagram and Facebook at VersastyleLA. And if you want to get to know more about me, you can follow me on Instagram at official_BreezeLeigh. I hope to catch you on the next one. Until then, keep it funky. Peace.